US-made M777 Howitzers are starting to make a difference on the battlefields of eastern Ukraine as the powerful weapons obliterate Russian tanks in the raging battle for the town of Severodonetsk. Ukraine's military released a video that shows artillery fire destroying a tank and two BMP infantry fighting vehicles as deadly precise shells rain in on them from 25 miles away. Artillerymen of the 81st Airmobile Brigade were operating the howitzer on the front lines around the city. The United States has already donated more than 100 howitzers to Ukraine, with a further 18 and tactical vehicles to tow them, along with ammunition included in the latest tranche of military aid, valued at $1 billion. With the recent Ukrainian admission that they are losing 100 men a day, mostly due to concentrated fire by the superior Russian artillery barrages, potent NATO weapons are absolutely essential for the smaller nation to stay in the fight and defend their territory. In a separate video released by Ukrainian forces last month celebrating the much-loved US howitzers, the words "From America with Love" can be seen scrawled along the barrel of one M777. "My guys know the value of artillery," Commander-in-Chief of the Ukrainian Armed Forces Valery Zaluzhnyi said in the video description. The M777 can fire as far as 25 miles and is capable of striking within 10 yards of a target when coupled with the M982 Excalibur precision-guided munition. This range is significantly greater than Russia's primary artillery systems, the two S-19 self-propelled howitzer and D-30 towed guns. Russians are trying to capture Severodonetsk for 2 weeks now, but although the Russians grouped large forces to attack the city, their attempts have not yet been entirely successful. The Russian army has almost conquered most of the city, but the Russian losses are enormous. British and American intelligence agencies in their latest forecasts say that the Russian army is still advancing very slowly, with heavy losses. If the Russians do not bring more reinforcements to Ukraine, there is no chance that their situation will improve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.